Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming required documents because missing files stall approval. Once you have Aadhaar, PAN, ownership proof, old license number, and a clear photo, register or log into the Assam Municipal or ULB portal. Make sure your mobile and email are verified so OTPs arrive. This prevents delays. After login, select Trade License, then Renewal. Upload scanned PDFs under 2 MB and choose your payment method. This gets you past the first gate quickly and securely. Now you fill the renewal form carefully because errors trigger rejections. You will enter trade address, activity description, existing license number, and proposed validity. Use exact names as on documents. Once done, attach NOC or consent if required, the latest property tax receipt, and owner ID in the formats accepted. Preview the application to correct typos and then use the fee calculator shown on screen to confirm the renewal amount. This reduces back and forth and speeds up verification. You finish by paying and submitting because payment triggers processing. Choose card, UPI, or net banking, keep the transaction ID, and immediately download the payment receipt. This proves payment if queries arise. After submission, note the acknowledgement no, and monitor the portal dashboard for inspector remarks or approval. Once approved, download the renewed license. If things go wrong, check the portal comments, re-upload corrected documents quickly, or visit the local ULB office with receipts and originals for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.